guys, Kieran here on the stunning Baraka Beach in Portugal, part of Javier. Now today we're going to absolutely annihilate the legs. We've got hill sprints, guys, 3 sets of 4, all the way up, all the way down. When we get back, KO8 set up here. There's going to be some nice exercises to really blitz the quads, hamstrings and the glutes, okay? We're going for a 50-meter hill sprint here, guys, so we'll take it over. See, relatively steep incline as we're going up. So look for somewhere, guys, back home, anywhere you want. Bit of a hill, could be in the park, could be on the street. Get your KO8 set up on a lamppost and you're good to go from there, okay? So KO8 is going to be set up on suspension initially, guys, for the first 2 rounds of exercises. Then we're going to finish off with a different one you haven't seen before on resistance, okay? So first set, we're going to get ready and away we go. Okay, so first 4 hill sprints done with KO8 jump squats. Next one, guys, we're going to open up the foot cradles from here, and it's going to be a Bulgarian split squat for 10 reps. Hit that hill sprint again, down, opposite leg rather, 10 reps, keep going, total of 4 sets, okay? So that's round 2 done. 4 hill sprints again, followed by Bulgarian split squats, 10 on each leg, 2 times, okay? So the last exercise I'm going to do on the KO8, guys, taking off suspension. Going to be full resistance on one side, so 3 black bands, 1 red, give me a total of 36 kilos. And now you can do this when not on the floor, guys, and lift the leg up, but luckily I've got this little ledge to use here. You could use a bench, you could use something similar height to lean off against, okay? So from there, guys, bringing the bands down, hook it under the foot, bring it through, and now it's going to be a leg press. You see the way the glutes aren't on the bench, guys, we're just using the hands for support. We're going to stabilize and strengthen the core. Now from this position, we're going to kick the leg down from there. Annihilation hill sprints with a combination of KO8 exercises, all to blitz the lower body. Sometimes, guys, it's not about the duration, it's about the quality and the efficiency of the workout. So push yourself, guys. You're going to feel like you're being sick. Sometimes it's not a bad thing, okay? Too often we train in our comfort zone. Fuck the comfort zone, okay? Step out of the comfort zone, test yourself, measure yourself, and then go again. Try this one out, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this to anyone you think might like KO8 workouts. And if you've got any ideas for us, guys, drop them in the comment box below and we'll get them done. Until next time, it's Kieran here. Take it easy. Born to move.